flower buds that fill your mouth with a pungent and spicy taste when you crush them accidentally while chewing food. Cloves are not only a popular spice used in cooking and baking, but they also offer numerous health benefits. Here are some of the incredible benefits of cloves. Benefits of cloves. Rich in nutrients. Cloves are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, manganese, fiber, and calcium. Antioxidant power. Cloves are one of the most potent sources of antioxidants, which help protect the body against oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. The high antioxidant content of cloves can contribute to overall health and well-being. Anti-inflammatory properties. Cloves contain compounds like eugenol, which possess anti-inflammatory properties. These properties can help reduce inflammation in the body and alleviate symptoms associated with conditions like arthritis and inflammatory diseases. Oral health. Cloves have been traditionally used for their oral health benefits. They possess antibacterial properties that can help fight against oral pathogens, reduce bad breath, and promote overall dental health. Clove oil is often used in dental treatments and mouthwashes. Digestive aid. Cloves can aid digestion by promoting the production of digestive enzymes. They may help reduce bloating, gas, and indigestion. Cloves are also known to have carminative properties, which can help relieve stomach ulcers and promote a healthy gastrointestinal system. Respiratory health. Cloves' aromatic and expectorant properties can help relieve respiratory conditions like cough, cold, asthma, and bronchitis. Clove oil is often used in vaporizers and chest rubs to provide relief from respiratory symptoms. Blood sugar regulation. Some studies suggest that cloves may help regulate blood sugar levels. The active compounds in cloves may improve insulin sensitivity and assist in managing diabetes. Anti-cancer potential. The antioxidants present in cloves, along with their anti-inflammatory properties, may help reduce the risk of certain cancers. Eugenol, a key compound in cloves, has shown potential in inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and promoting apoptosis, cell death, in cancer cells. Boosts immunity. Cloves are rich in vitamin C, which can help strengthen the immune system. Consuming cloves regularly may enhance your body's defense against infections and diseases. Pain relief. Clove oil, or a paste made from powdered cloves, can be applied topically to relieve toothaches, headaches, and muscle pain. The numbing and analgesic properties of cloves can provide temporary pain relief. While cloves offer various benefits, it's essential to consume them in moderation and consult a healthcare professional if you have any specific health concerns or conditions. Hope you liked the video and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and support our channel, Miss Healthy.